10 now come 2013 season 1 episode 11. Genre is comedy haram school romance. The story centers around Kanade Amakosa, a boy cursed with the mental power of absolute multiple choice. A multiple choice quiz will suddenly appear in his mind and the choice he makes will become his reality. For example, he would have to choose between going nude from the waist up or the waist down in his school. While in his school, he is given another choice. First, a beautiful girl will fall before him. Second, he will fall from the rooftop in female clothes. He chooses option first and a blondie girl named Chocolate falls before him. Okay, moving to the next anime. Number 9. The Hill Died Rose Matter 2008 Season 1 Episode 12. Genre is comedy haram romance school. In order to protect the girl Yuhi Katagari, a new transfer student, from danger, Junichi Nagase is forced to kiss her. Not understanding what happened, she screamed at him, not knowing that her father has arranged for her to marry him. Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 8. Ashu no Yochi 2009 Season 1 Episode 12. Genre is comedy, ichi, romance, school, shonen. Yoichi Karasuma is a young samurai. He spent all his life training martial arts on a mountain in Japan. His father finally sent him away to learn about the life in the city. There, he starts to live with 4 girls and goes to normal high school. But modern life is harder to grasp than expected. Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 7. R15 2011 Season 1 Episode 12. Genre is comedy, ichi, haram, romance, school, dub no. Takuta Atogawa has a special ability for writing porn novels. He applies to Hirameki Gakuen, a high school which only accepts people with unique talent. Now he must chase his dream and is direct his classmate to win an inter-class competition, all while trying to create the perfect harem. Okay friends, moving to the Number 6. A Bridge to the Starry Sky 2011 Season 1 Episode 13. Genre is comedy, ichi, haram, romance, shonen, dub no. Kazuma brother Azuma needs to be recuperated from an illness, so they move from the city to a rural mountain village. They plan to board at their father's in Yorohaza but get lost on their way, wandering in the mountain. It is the first of his many encounters in his new country life. Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 5. Airi Yoshi 2003 Season 3 Episode 36 dub yes. The genre is comedy, drama, haram, romance, slice of life. Hanabishi Koru is a junior in college living out an ordinary life of studying and friends. One day he meets a girl whom he discovers his old friend, Sakuraba Ai, a girl whom he was supposed to have an arranged marriage with. Together the two rediscover aspects of their past that they had tried to suppress, which getting out in their lives with. Unfortunately, there are lots of unwanted guests that keeps lurking around in their lives. How is their love going to be unforced? I hope friends all of you are enjoying this video. If you are really enjoying it, please like and comment and subscribe our channel. It's also motivate me to keep uploading new videos. Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 4. Girls Bravo 2005 Season 2 Episode 37. Genre is comedy, ichi, fantasy, haram, romance, school, dub yes. Small for his age, Yukinari has been bullied and abused by girls all his life. Now in high school, he has developed a rare condition. Whenever girls touch him or even come close, he breaks out in hives. Imagine his surprise when he is suddenly transported to a city of sharing on a mystic world, invisibly orbiting the earth and populated with vast number of women and very few men. Fortunately, he has a new friend, Miharu-cha, whose touch doesn't affect him. Okay friend, moving to the next anime. Number 3. Strawberry 100% 2008 Season 1 Episode 12. The genre is comedy, ichi, haram, romance, shonen, dub no. Manaka Junpei races to the rooftop of his middle school one day only to be surprised by a fallen angel, a beautiful girl wearing strawberry panties against the backdrop of a setting sun. She runs away, dropping her notebook. Junpei returns the notebook to the student whose name is listed in it to Toju Aya. but he is disappointed to find out that she is not the girl that he met on the rooftop. Won a dare from his friend, he decided to confess to most beautiful girl in third year class, Nishino Tashukasa, while her hairstyle is different from the class of his dream. She is both very beautiful and she was wearing strawberry panties, so she must have been the girl that he met on the rooftop, or was she? Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 2. Akikan, 2009, Season 1, Episode 13, dubbed No. The genre is comedy, ecchi, fantasy, romance, harem. The story revolves around a typical high school boy named Kakeru Daichi and the can of melon juice soda that he brought from a vending machine. The can suddenly transforms into a beautiful girl that Kakeru nicknames Melon, and more Akikan empty cans girls. However, Akikan girls need to be infused with carbon dioxide in order to turn into an human. Okay friends, moving to the next anime. Number 1. Nagasarete Arentu, 2007, Season 1, Episode 26, dubbed No. The genre is comedy, ecchi, fantasy, harem, romance. One day, Ikatu has a fight with his father and as a result run away from home in the heat of moment. Everything was going well until he boarded a ship. But then he carelessly fell overboard after encountering the most serious raging storm in 100 years and is spending many days adrift. He arrives here at Arentu. However, this island is a little weird because this Arentu is an island comprising solely of girls and destiny awaits Akatu. Okay friends, I hope you enjoying all these videos. Thank you so much friends watching this, and please friends like and comment and share this video and subscribe our channel.
From Juliet, and now it's lying on the staircase, begging you please don't go.